Hey YouTube, it's your girl Yaya again, and I'm here in a beautiful Daytona still. We've got a couple more days. There's the view of the ocean, look at the beautiful birds flying, and then we also have the river right there. We did rent a condo, so it's got a full kitchen and everything you can think of in a home. So we have been here for 10 days, 11 days already. It is paradise. It is beautiful. And I cannot wait to go home though because I miss my dogs and my cat. Well, I just wanted to kind of show you what's inside my bag. This bag has been through it all. From the floor to just the kids dumping things inside. It has held up pretty darn well. Yep, it has. So I'm gonna show you what I have inside my bag. In here, obviously, you guys all know I carry my keys in here. Wish I had my tripod with, so just bear with me. So I just have my keys in here. It's got some wear and tear. Figured I'll talk to you guys about the wear and tear too, but it's got a little bit of wear and tear, but it's held up pretty well, so that's what I have in here. I also have both my planners, which, one moment, let me move my purse down to the side here. I just bought this Recollections planner here at the Michaels here. I just kind of wanted to, I don't know, change it up from my Kate Spade one. Oh, they're kicking people off. They're not allowed to go into the ocean because there's a lot of storms coming through. As you can see over there, it's super dark. Super dark. Anyway, let's get back to my planner. So I did get this one from Michael's down here. And I have other videos, obviously, of it, but this is what I have in here right now. I did put a couple pictures, which is, this one is one of my most absolute favorite picture of my daughter that I took out in the beach, and there she is. And then I added some stuff to my journal back here, some pictures, which I will show you. Because obviously picture says it all. I don't really have to write much, but that is my mom and my daughter. And this is me and my mom. This is me, my little sister, and the honey bunny. And that's us again. I did not laminate these, so they're kind of sticking together. This is Misha on the beach. And there's my sister. This is Misha and Mariah on the boat eating. That is my son, Jeremiah, and his beautiful girlfriend, Tanya. And that's all I have in here. I actually love this. I am actually going to collect different colors because I figured this with the beach, I figured it would be like appropriate, to say the least. But and then I'm using my Louis Vuitton PM Agenda. I've got little charms here, and I did get these charms also at Michael's. I thought they were cute. I thought they kind of matched the whole theme of my planner. It is windy, it is loud, sorry about that, but I figured it'd be nice to do one out here. You guys have seen this. The only new thing that I did add here is this from Michael's, and it says smile, says wow, and I love the eyes and the eyelashes. I thought that was super cute touch. The only thing I really added in here was this picture. That's of me and my daughter. This was like the first day that we were here. Some embellishments, obviously. I've got my passwords back here. Some more embellishments. And that's about it. So let me show you what else is in my purse. Just give me one moment. It's gonna get a little wet there. Like I said, this purse has really pretty well. It's been through a lot these past like 10-11 days. There is a little bit of, you know, a little bit of fuzzies and dirt, but it's to be expected when you are on vacation. Oh, see, I got a stain right here. That's the only thing that sucks about this white purse from Daisy Rose, is it does get pretty dirty fast. Like, look, I got little lint, I got little hairs. Maybe it wasn't a good idea to bring it on vacation, but I figured, what the hell, I'm just gonna bring it. It's white, and we're in the beautiful ocean. And here comes the storm. OMG. Okay, so I have to tell you guys, I found this awesome little tote. Okay, you guys have seen this. The lifeguard was telling them to leave, shine the lights and everything, like, you guys need to leave, the waves are no good right now, blah blah blah. Anyway, in here, that I bought this on eBay, I just have like my chargers and stuff like that in here, but I have got to show you guys. Give me 1 second. I know it's bouncing up and down. I found this tote. It's a tote brand. Okay. Oh, right there. I found this at the Goodwill for $3. And in the zipper, when I took it in the car, I found $2 in it. So technically I got it for $1. So I just thought that was a steal. In this first pocket, I have nail polish, cuticle cutter. Oh, that storm's coming in quick. Oil for my nails. I've got, what is this called? Hand sanitizer. And obviously my eyebrow pluckers. In the zipper, I have Band-Aids. I have hair ties. And here I have my favorite lotion. I've got nail filer that I bought here. It's a glass nail filer, which is amazing. And then I've got my comb. In this pocket here, I have my pills, which I have them all written down on here. And obviously I always have to carry some Tums. And then I have my nausea medicine, because, you know, either being in the water or driving and stuff, I get nauseous. So that helps out a lot. Mouthwash, a hair clip, and then for my glasses. But I have been wearing my contacts a lot here. This little pocket, I just have my powder and my brush. And I have that because I get oily, so this really helps. This stuff is amazing. And in here, I just have my chapsticks. And that is it. That is what I have inside my bag. So I just love this because I could just slip this in. I'm trying to do it handed, but open it, sissy. I can just slip this in, slip it out.
Mom,
whatever.
I can hold it.
No, I got it now. It is starting to get really windy. Holy crap. Woo! It's getting super windy out here, so let me put everything inside my bag. My daughter's going in because she's scared of the storms. But, yeah, the storm is coming. Thanks for watching. Daytona Beach, Florida. The wind is so bad. Usually it rains and then it stops. But yes, it's beautiful. Oh, I can feel the water. It is cold.
Guys, never go out here when there's
cold.